Hey, what's up, you guys? It's literally
What?
It's literally 3:52 in the morning, and we decided to make ice cream, vanilla ice cream, out of fresh snow.
Yeah, there you go. Get a little extra.
No. Okay, so we have 10 cups of fresh snow. Now we need 300 milliliters of condensed milk. Now you need
1 teaspoon of vanilla.
This is Dad's famous recipe, even though he's from Puerto Rico.
Are you excited?
Yeah. Sorry, caught me while sniffing.
It is 3:58 in the morning.
So this is how you make ice cream.
That's all you do is just pour it in there, and then you just stir it up.
Interesting. That's good.
Okay, so we use a little bit of heavy cream. This is our own style.
Ay, qué linda.
Okay.
Just kidding.
Put it.
So you put it back in there.
It's gonna ruin it. Ay, qué linda. We can have our own cooking channel.
This is technically our own cooking channel. And how's that coffee?
It's hot chocolate.
Oh,
Hey, it looks good.
chunky ice cream.
We should send this recipe to Bahama Bucks.
Maybe they might. Maybe they might use it.
Yeah.
How's it
Do you
taste?
taste acid?
Okay, so we just put a little bit more vanilla.
You can bleep it out. So if you're ever in the wild and you're trying to survive, all you need is vanilla, heavy cream, and something else.
Condensed milk.
Condensed milk. You can make ice cream for years. You can survive off of it.
Because it has the calories.
Look how easy this
It has
is.
the calories. It has the fats.
Your vitamin C.
Oh my god.
Wait, is it D? Milk is D.
What? How's it taste? Really good?
Delicious.
So do you try it now?
Homemade from an Eskimo.
Now let me try it.
That is really tasty.
No, tire cosas al piso, chico.
That's really good. You guys need to try this.
Yeah, I agree.
That was rude.
Oh wow, Dad, look. You're sounding like an idiot.
Yeah. We made homemade ice cream in literally 5 minutes. This is ice cream. This is fresh snow ice cream. It's my dad's recipe. Remember, he's from an island, Puerto Rico. the mountains. But anyways, if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up. It's really easy to make. You can do it. Just next time you go to Alaska or your backyard, just Come on.
just grab the snow and you can make it. And it's very good to survive with. It's great. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe down below. And yeah, you could. Oh, also I'm going to put a link on the top. You could donate to a cause, a great cause. There's different causes on every video. So yeah, you could donate. All right. Well, thank you for watching this snow ice cream.